Hi, my name is Jonathan Caravolius. I'm with ROEQ, based in Charleston, South Carolina. ROEQ is an equipment manufacturer for AMRs. We produce top modules and cart systems for AMRs. What I'm showing you today is our newest collection. We call it our big cart. It's a top module, which is the TMS C1500. You can see he's going out for a little journey today. And that's the top module with a pinning. And right above it is our escart 1500W. So it's used in conjunction with a AMR 1350, which is underneath there. And basically this solves a lot of intralogistics solutions for a wide variety of applications, whether it be in automotive, whether it be in manufacturing, whether it be in intralogistics solutions. So basically the AMR 1350 is the AMR that goes from point to point. And the top module has two pins inside it which engage with the escart 1500W. The normal payload of the AMR 1350 is 1,350 kilograms. But using our TMS C1500 on this unit, we can actually increase the payload to 1,500 kilograms, which is a great value proposition for a lot of the customers that need to move more than the actual capacity of the AMR. It has a variety of safety features, whether it be emergency stops would ensure the safety. Also, with our ROEQ Assist software, we're able to extend the footprint and the safety zones of the AMR to make sure that it is transporting the goods and payloads safely through whatever facility you have. We also, on top of the cart solution, we have here a pallet rack, which we can actually put a standard US pallet on here. But being flexible as we are, we have mounting holes on here where a customer could put his custom shelving, whatever kind of adapter plates on there, or whatever payload. So we leave it up to the customers to be able to be flexible, and we give you the stable platform to enable that. Other characteristics of the escart 1500W, we can also mount this on a smaller AMR unit, less capacity but more flexible. But all in all, it's a great platform for developing, working in hybrid working solutions with operators. You can actually push this cart, so I can drop it off with the AMR, and an operator can pick it up, push it, and bring it to another workstation. So it adds a lot of flexibility in intralogistics. So showing this today, and it's one of our most exciting products this year, and we're happy to be presenting once again the TMS C1500 and the escart 1500. Check it out and try us out. So appreciate the time.